To create a database in ClickUp, follow these steps. Navigate to your workspace. Log into ClickUp. Go to clickup.com and log into your account. Open your workspace. Select the workspace or folder where you want to create a database. Create a new space or folder. If you don't already have a space or folder, create one by clicking the plus create new space or plus create new folder button. Create a new database. Add a new list or workspace. Navigate to the workspace or folder where you want the database. Click the plus add new list or plus add new task option. Select database view. After creating a new list or task, choose the database view option from the list of views. Customize database fields. Once the database view is selected, you can customize columns and fields based on the type of information you want to track. Fields could include text, numbers, dates, drop-down menus, etc. Add records. Start adding records to your database by entering data into the newly created fields. Manage your database. Filtering and sorting. ClickUp allows you to filter and sort records based on specific criteria, helping to manage your database effectively. Integrations. You can integrate other tools and apps to enhance the functionality of your database.